Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here for hashtag Altered Index 2024. This is a challenge, open collab hosted by Nonstop Paper Crafts. I will have the link to her channel down below, as well as the hashtag, so that you can just click on that and see what everyone else makes. So what happens is every Tuesday, she is in the UK, and every Tuesday she pulls three prompts. One is a color, which this week is white. One is a thing, and this week it is cog, which, yeah. And the last one is a word, and this week it's trust. This was kind of a tough one for me, and I'm not 100% happy with it, but this is what I'm doing. So I pulled this paper from Stampin' Up! Because I thought it looked sort of industrial. It's called Earth and Elegance, and I pulled this one. This kind of would have been cool too. And I think the colors have copper clay. Yeah, copper clay and pecan pie in it. And then I thought originally, okay, I'm gonna paint over it. Well, I used this pearl white. Not the best thing to do, so then I wasn't happy with it. So then I got my finger dauber and went over it again with pecan pie and whatever, and I didn't like it. So then I found a white doily. So we're gonna cover a lot of it up with a white doily. And then I have these buttons. They're flat back, so I thought they'd be good to glue down. I don't know where I got these, either probably Joann's or possibly when AC Moore was still open. And it had 15 buttons. I think they were not open, and they're plastic. They're not metal. They're lightweight, so I thought that would be good. And then the word, and I actually um, tried to go over 3 of them out of 6 with paint, that same paint, and I didn't like that. So then I came back in and I dabbed it with them with pecan pie, just to bring it back to a little bit of the brass color. Remember, the color is white, so I needed white. So anyway, let's go ahead and put this together. We're going to use, hopefully, art glitter glue to glue this down and then trim it around the edges. And then we'll layer the cogs on there, and then we'll do trust. And then trust, I was having trouble with how am I going to trust what? So I thought trust in yourself, but of course I didn't have a nice big word that says yourself. So I pulled out these Tim Holtz stickers that are white with some gold on, and we are going to uh, put a few of them down. Oh, look, we're going to see the circle of glue through there. Oopsie. Well, the cogs will be on a lot of that, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. I did go around the edges of my index card with pecan pie as well, instead of Distress Oxide, because I had this stuff on my desk. And I could have recovered this, but I just didn't feel like it. And see, just to prove it is a 4x6 index card. I already wrote Altered Index 2024, Week 21, May 28, 2024. The host, Nonstop Paper Crafts. Prompts, color, white, thing, cog, word, trust. And I forgot to write on here that I did it. Made by Deb Alk. And I made it on May 28th, 2024. So yay. All right, so now I think I'm gonna bring in Fabri-Tac to glue these down. You know what, it's awfully dark. There we go. Seemed really dark in here to me. It's actually sunny out today. Yesterday it rained. Of course, it was Memorial Day. So I think this is the one that had white on it, and this is the brassy color one. I don't know. Hopefully this won't make a big mess. but I don't feel like turning on hot glue. Um, yeah, these work pretty good. I should, except I'm getting little strings just like I do with hot glue, right? Let me relay this out again to make sure I understand how I want it. I guess, oops, that one's glued down. So we'll put this there and, all right, I guess I'll just do that. I don't like it. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I brought in an extra large one to put on here. It just looks better, I think, with 7 of them. And it's still not perfect, but it's going to have to do. So then the word trust. So I have these, my favorite things, bottle cap dies. I don't know what I did to the other cardboard. It's here somewhere. I lost it in like 5 minutes. Anyway, I only had numbers to go with it, so to bring out the letters, I found these stickers in my word bin, word and alpha bin. They are K and Company, 2014. I don't know where I got them, maybe at a yard sale or possibly Tuesday morning, but there's no Tuesday morning sticker on, or possibly a D-stash. I have no idea. But I decided to use them. I did white for the bottle cap outer part. I didn't put the inner little circles. I was thinking originally of doing like pecan pie or copper clay background and then putting these on a white, but I just thought, nah, I'll just stick the stickers down, and then I went around the edges with my dauber with pecan pie. So we're going to place trust going down along like this. And I thought they sort of like, because they're like the bottle caps, they sort of look like cogs too, right? A little bit. Trusnt. It fits pretty good there. I don't want to cut off the edges of the T, or the big T. All right, so, ooh, I left this open. Let's glue these down with art glitter glue. And then I have this whole side here. So my concept is trust yourself, you know, believe in yourself. Um, Throughout your life, which is a journey because the cogs keep on moving you forward, right? Anyway, so then I went looking for a word of yourself. Yeah, in a stamp, and I couldn't find one. But so what I'm going to do is put a few Tim Holtz words down. Even in my Stampin' Up! Stamps, I could not find the word yourself. I have your, you know, whatever. So there is the word yourself in here, but it's believe in yourself. So what I thought we'd do is kind of put a few of these down. I might have to glue them. Trust in yourself. I was going to cut the believe off, but I decided to leave it on. And then embrace your journey. I want to put on. I might have to cut that. Yep. Hopefully these won't peel up. Just embrace your journey. And I could put live this life. Life is a grand adventure. Could do that. Believe in daydreams. I want to put this be true on somewhere. Maybe here. Like be true to yourself kind of thing. Oh, see possibility everywhere. I wanted to use that. That's pretty long too. But basically, the idea is trust in yourself. I have trouble doing that personally. Let's see if there's anything else. Shine brightly. Yeah, let's use that. So we'll just use a bunch of these. And guess what? They are the color white. Shine brightly. I have these. I might as well use them, right? I can't get this one off. There we go. We could probably use another. I already have a Be True, right? Make it count. Make it count. You should always make it count. And I think I need one more than here. Maybe live this life. Be true. I don't have that right. Yeah. Okay. So that is kind of what I'm doing this week for my for the hashtag Altered Index 2024 hosted by Nonstop Paper Crafts, and I think I'm just going to call it done. So we have the color white, we have the cogs, we have the word trust, and I'm wanted to say trust in yourself, but we have believe in yourself, shine brightly, embrace your journey, make it count, be true, which isn't on the same angle as everything else. Okay. And see possibility everywhere, but basically trust in yourself. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again the next time. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.